I have been walking around in this area, it's not really big area, maybe I read something over there about less than 1 hectares, but a very beautiful area for the bird. Yeah, seabird also here because near the river, very beautiful. Yeah, so I can see the fruits from the weeds plant here, the grass and everything. I want to look at the near the river in there. I don't know. There's a lot of birds flying there, like come and go all the time. I can watch it from here, but too far away for the photos. But I still can see the birds flying, just small birds in there. Oh, actually, I can see the bird here too. It's like a small bird, you know. Oh, with a mouth full of insects like worms or something like that. Just small birds. Yeah. Oh, it's flying there. It's flying to the near the river in there. Could be some nest in there, for this bird. Wow. This will be interesting. So the reception here is very good. So when I find this bird, what kind of bird, when I get the first photo of this bird, and then I will try to look for the bird's identification on the Google, so I know what kind of birds that I'm photographing today. Yeah, so let's move right there. I was walking around before in this place, I was trying to find the special or the best spot for the birds, and then finally I found the spot here, because I found the holes just in there in the soil or in the ground, sorry. And before I thought that was like the holes for the crab, and then suddenly from my behind, it was something flying around, and I was looking it up like that, and it was bird, a small bird, and then that bird just came inside of that hole. Apparently that one is the bird's nest. I did my quick search on Google, because the reception is very good right here at the moment, and then try to figure out what kind of small bird is that, and finally I got the name of that bird, and the name of the bird is pardalote. A little bit hard to say the words, like striated pardalote bird. So small birds that are eating insects, quiet small size, and very nice or beautiful colors. It's really easy when you have a reception good for your internet, for your phone, somewhere in the bush like this, because when you want to search something or on the Google, or want to search the name of the bird, what kind of species is that, for example, because you have a good reception around here in this area, and then you are very quick to, that's the birds in there, and then you pretty quick to know what kind of bird is that. So I realized it. The bird is not that scared with me in here. So I'm deciding just to stay here close to the bird nest. It's around maybe 10 meters, something like that. And then just stay here, get the beautiful moment of the birds, just enjoying the birds uh, busy time, in searching for insects, for uh, I think the baby birds insides of that nest in the ground. Yeah, it's very special, today, very special. Also, that's coming. Yeah, so this bird is coming. It's every time. I think more than one birds actually many parents of these birds, maybe maybe more than one, could be 3 or 5 birds, helping getting the food for that baby birds inside this nest in the ground. So yeah, this is abrasion in there. So hopefully by the time when like a storm or big rain will coming soon, maybe hopefully this bird or the baby birds already grown up, so they can fly and get out of that nest as quick as possible. It's a very beautiful bird. So the bird's name is pardalote, striated pardalote. Yeah, maybe I'm saying it not right, but anyway, I always record on my computer what kind of birds I found, along this time, what is the name, what species, or in a short word, I write all about the scientific name of the bird. As the birds come and go, so the bird's parent not in there at the moment. So I'm showing you what I'm talking about, the abrasion of the soil at the river bank, where this bird use the ground here, or the soil, for the ground nesting soil. So this is what I'm talking about. So the safety of the birds little bit in concern. And this is what I'm talking about, the abrasion about the soil or the ground. Look at that. It's already like that, Yeah, sorry. And yeah, just like that. That's the abrasion. It could be the rain, a heavy rain, like erosion of the soil. Yeah, so very lucky have the roots of the grass or the weeds in there just holding the soil, from the erosion. But this abrasion is very dangerous like that. And this is the nest of that beautiful striated pardalote bird. So in there, so I just coming back to the spot where I am sitting down, because maybe the bird will coming to bring the foods for the baby birds inside of the nest. Oh my God. Yeah, there's 2 of them in there. They are just like dancing, eh? They're dancing. Maybe this is one of the male. I just don't know. I just presume so. I'm taking the video of this dancing bird. So maybe this is what they call the pardalote, dancing bird. Happy time. Oh yeah, that's dancing. Oh my God, it's beautiful. He's dancing. Yeah, it's beautiful. There's another one in there. There's another one. Right. Oh, coming. There's another one. That side. Oh, going on again. So busy. Oh, come on. Beautiful busy bird. Yeah. God. Already inside. Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Oh, gone. That was quick. That was quick. All I can say at the moment is like this.